I know a lot of people are always asking why I don't show so much in training and practice and everything. We do have practice and training every day. Don't get it confused. Sometimes twice a day. Today is only once a day. It's like individual, so I can film because only half the team is here. Well, they're not even here yet, early. But since we only have one training today, I kind of have an idea for today. Right now, morning individual training finished. Not gonna say it was easy, pretty challenging, but like I say, I have an idea. And don't say I never film me in training. This is me. It's true. I train every day, guys. Made it. Wow, I literally just made the train. As you guys know, I'm using this, and by the way, this is all filmed on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Something I've been trying to test out for a while, so I was like, why don't I go to another city to test it out? So we'll spin to the next city, which is... Okay, so finally here in Paris. I want to say an hour and 15 minutes, hour and 15 minutes late, but finally here in Paris.
Vous êtes arrivé à Paris Nord. Je vous rappelle que votre retard est bien.
Kind of one thing I forgot to say is I want to really test out this camera, and I guess Paris is a busy city. It's moving, a lot of things going on, and with my main vlogging camera, which is GH4 with the microphone, you don't hear any external noise. So I'm very curious to see how this sounds in a busy train station, busy city. No idea where I'm going or what I'm gonna do, but I'm very curious to see the footage. Hope you guys can hear me, and welcome to Paris. One thing I do love about vlogging on this camera is it's so small, so I always get enough attention as it is, just being my size and everything. But with this little camera, no one even really sees the camera at all in my hands, which is perfect. Okay, so this is pretty much a classic scene walking in a big city. Really curious how the audio would be on here. As I tell you guys, using the road mic and everything, I know that you won't hear any of the background, the buses, the tour buses, all that kind of stuff. But maybe with all this, but without a microphone, I'm really curious. This is like a true test. And as I say, don't really have a plan being here. I kind of just... I actually think this is my house from here. Ok, mais le nom de le hostel.
Oui, c'est ça.
Smart, okay. Smart place, okay. All right, so just got to the hostel. The name is Smart Place, right by Gare du Nord, about maybe 5 minutes walking. Nice, smells good, and they have heat. Very important. So it seems like a really nice hotel, but it's a really small elevator, and I think me alone, I'm breaking the weight limit. But to the room. So this is home for next evening. This is actually a lot more smaller than I thought. But yeah, here in Paris. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys were thinking and didn't ask, but I'm sure someone will ask, so I'll save them the trouble right now. No, I do not fit in the beds at the hostels. Normally ever.
Crazy thing is, I don't know how it happened, but I totally forgot how crazy busy packed it is here in Paris during rush hour. I mean, it is like incredible. Like it's almost faster if you have to go somewhere that's less than a kilometer away. It's almost faster to walk than take a metro or an Uber or a taxi, which is kind of what I've been doing. Even though I'm lost, I am walking, trying to find my way. The craziness of Paris, but at the same time, it's beautiful. And they got the Christmas lights up, which is awesome. Well, they're starting to get it up right there. So as I told you, since this thing doesn't have a flip out screen, I'd be really curious to see how it looks. It's not super dark, like super night right now, but at the same time, it's pretty dark.
Came here for some stuff for the GoPro, but this electronics store, a lot of electronic stores in France, they have a lot of different things, and ended up not getting the accessory for the GoPro. I think I'm gonna get a book instead. You guys ever have those times when you're like in your favorite bookstore or your favorite game store or supermarket, you kind of go into a zone, totally forget where you are? That's kind of what happened to me with these books. Totally forgot I'm in Paris. It's pretty late. I guess we're still gonna be testing this GoPro Hero 7 Black out in the night scene here in Paris. Right now at one of the healthier places to eat, well, at least here in Paris that I know of. I'm in the Opera District right now. It's called Jour, which in English means day. And they really have like healthy green food because I was like struggling trying to find a healthy place. But this looks kind of looks healthy enough. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this real quick, then have no idea what's next. Today's plan has been totally just kind of random, and at the same time I was like, I want to go to Champs-Élysées, I want to go to Eiffel Tower, I want to do all this stuff, but at the same time I'm like, take it easy, adjust your plan as you go. If you feel like doing it, you don't make yourself have like a checklist. You have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. This is one thing when I'm traveling I don't like to do. If I feel like doing something, I like to do it, and that way you kind of stay happy and you don't feel worn out or having to feel like you need a vacation from that vacation. So hope that made sense. Hope not getting that selfie stick was still okay. Hope the sound is okay on this camera. And now I'm gonna eat, and then I have no idea.
I'm sure if any of you guys have ever been to Paris before, or you've watched the vlog when I've been in Paris, you guys know exactly where I'm at. Where I feel like it's the perfect reason, where I feel like it's the perfect place to test the low light out with some low light, but some beautiful light. So hope you guys can see me pretty clear. Hope you guys can see the background, because the background is pretty nice behind me. But I mean, guys, if you guys know me really well, then you know that me being here, me saying that this is just a test for my new camera is only an excuse for me to come here and to get out the house and to see new things. And I know I've been here before, and you guys who've been around here a long time have known I've come to this place a lot. But at the same time, for you all who are new here, or just a little extra boost for you guys to say that you got to get out, you got to see the world, there's so much to see. And I feel like being here, this should hopefully kind of inspire you guys a little bit. I'm hoping the best I can. But yeah, hope the low light on this camera is good enough to capture this this beautiful scene right here. And actually kind of my whole goal was to get right here. And normally here, I felt like I always could see the Eiffel Tower, but it's such a foggy night outside. Thinking I'm gonna have to get closer, because I feel like I have to see it before going back to the hostel. But it's a long walk, don't want to bore you guys. We're gonna spin. Thanks, too tired. Just right now, legs are too tired. Right now, making my way over to the Champs-Élysées. Then from there, hopefully, can finish close to the Torre Eiffel. That's been the Eiffel Tower. Excuse me. That's been the goal the entire day. So as I kind of told you, my goal was kind of to try to go to Eiffel Tower. It's really cloudy. You can't see it until you're really up close. Kind of running low on time. Got to get back, still have work to do. But so right now, I guess I'm here. I guess it's kind of the perfect place to end it. Even though I didn't make it to the Eiffel Tower, I still made it close and got to meet some cool people. Brought a little too many things along the way. But feel like right here is a perfect place to end the vlog. And not only end the vlog, but also test the low light capability on here, as well as the audio here in a loud setting. And also thank you guys for watching. As you guys know, as I told you, of course I'm testing this out and I like the camera, but at the same time, I actually just need a kind of excuse to get away. Not that I really needed one, but kind of needed to give you guys an excuse for me to come away and for me to share it with you guys. So testing out this camera at the same time, hope it brought some kind of value to you guys as well. Here in Paris, a beautiful, cold, cloudy night. And just in case you don't know, you guys can go up there on the Arc de Triomphe as well. But I'm gonna stay down here, chill, relax, have a coffee, get some work done, but I'll talk to all of you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys are doing great. And I think that is it. So I'll talk to you guys later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.